Hey, welcome back, guys. Good morning. It is early. It is like 6 a.m. and we are leaving our hotel. Got me some breakfast from Jackson's. It's kind of like 7-Eleven. We're getting in the car and we are on our way to Canada. See you soon. Second coffee of the morning. We're about an hour into our drive. No hitchhiking. Boom. Coming up on the border.
We're 2 miles from the border.
Alright, so we made it. We were in Canada, stopping briefly at an Esso station for gas and coffee and bathrooms and all that good stuff. And then we'll be on our way heading straight to Capilano. We're going to head up the suspension bridge. We're at Capilano Suspension Bridge. Beautiful day. Watch says it's 47 degrees and it is sunny out. It's cool. Some totem poles. Feels great out here. Just tons of trees. do not retrieve dropped items, or you'll do that. Pretty great though. Look at the you guys see the river down there? Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful up here. So this is where we're eventually heading. The suspension bridge. Yeah, look at that. That's cool, man. Look at this thing. Little caterpillar. Some scale.
I wouldn't touch that one.
No, but I'm just giving some scale here, so now I know how big it is.
I was like, yeah, I wouldn't touch it with your toenail.
Yeah, dude, he's got some little spinies on him.
Plus he's furry. Super furry.
He's like, no, leave me alone. Alright, we'll be doing the suspension bridge, treetops adventure, the cliff walk, and then some eateries here too. This is great. It's a little photo op over there, stand in the frame. You guys notice there's these pathways all along, so that's it's a wood path like trail, so you just walk along it. Reminds me of Tarzan's Treehouse. Woo. Ooh, it is a little wobbly. And with my buddy shaking it behind me. Jerk. Alright, that was pretty sweet.
Trip.
What?
It's down on both edges, on both corners of the...
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
You got folks behind you, Gene. So, little information about the treetop canopy and higher growth. It's beautiful up here though. You guys can see behind me there's the pond we were just looking at, and the trees. And it's like I said, it's very shady here. I can tell that we're definitely in the shade. The temperature has gotten cooler. It's not bad though. Like I said, so my watch tells me that it's 51 degrees out, but I don't know. I mean, it's a little brisk, but not bad at all. And I think honestly, I think just walking around you'd be fine. Like, I'm in a t-shirt, no issue whatsoever. But I'm loving it. This definitely a highlight of the trip. In fact, this may be my favorite spot. So I love being in the outdoors. I love being in the forest. If I had a choice, a lot of people, it's like, oh, would you rather go to the beach or the mountains? I'd rather go to the mountains every time. but it's pretty great. Onward we go. All right, cool. So we're about to go on this suspension bridge down here, guys. It's a pretty decent sized bridge. It looks awesome. It's gonna go right over that river we were just showing you. It's very wobbly. Whoa. Wow, hold on, I gotta stop. It's very wobbly. Looks great though. Looks really good over here.
We're on this bridge right now.
Ooh.
Nate.
Huh? Woo. So here's what the floor looks like. Without this padding, it'd definitely be scary because it's a little wet out. It's a little damp. All right. Ooh, I am a little nervous of this floor. Oh man. So we're like right in the middle of it now. Look around. See my view. And yes, I am holding on. Again, this floor makes me nervous. See the wood floor? Because it is damp out, so I'm a little worried of slipping. The netting goes all the way down, but again, it would be a scary feeling, I think, if I slipped and fell right now. But it's pretty great. And again, it just feels so good out here. It feels so good. The weather's just beautiful, and probably couldn't have asked for a better day. You see some of the tree houses there, and again, we were joking, but you could totally fish down here and get some really great fishing spots. Really digging this though. Just once you're on here, by the way, it's still, you know, you're up here. It's more about, like I said, I'm more worried about slipping because it's wet than I am about the height or the bridge itself. Like, that doesn't bother me. It is still swaying a bit, but it's not a lot. It's not anything I'm really like that worried about. Although I don't know if someone's just walking like super heavy or what's going on, but we're moving a lot. All right, but we're here coming up the suspension bridge. We're back on the matting, so I feel a little better with that. Can walk with a little more ease here. Whew, it is moving. I think someone's bouncing us a little bit, but here we go. We're coming up to the end, and there's a whole mess of activities over here.
It says
Some bigger totem poles. It's weird. You'll forget that you're on the bridge, and then someone will kind of step weird and shake it. You go. Oh. All right, heading back across the bridge. A lot of people on it. All right, slowly inching our way down. There's a lot more people on it. It's really moving. It's kind of funny. So I'm filming with the GoPro at the same time, looking ahead of me. So hopefully I'll be able to splice this together for you guys. Ooh. We're moving now though. Got like a brisk walk going. All right, but here's the part I don't like, is this part. Although it's drying out, so I guess that's good. Oh, okay. So definitely like this better. It feels more dry. Cool. Going to the cliff walk. Do the sky. Gonna do the skywalk or cliff walk. Sorry. Some windy stairs. Photo. Picture spots. But this is the thing that we saw from the bridge over there. So we're gonna do the cliff walk. It's like we were just floating up here, which is, I guess, the point. But it is kind of interesting. It's like it's just floating on nothing. Kind of feel like a video game, like Mario, running on these little things. This is much narrower, so definitely feels a bit more intense. Like, it's different than the suspension bridge. It's a lot more sturdy. Like, I'm not swaying or moving, but because it's narrower, it's also crowded, which I don't like, but can't really help that. Be all the way down there. There's the river though. It looks great. But see, when you look at it like this, you're just walking down a pathway. You can't really tell. You don't know that you're,
Be like that
50
scene
feet
from
up.
First Blood, dude. You know, he's hanging on the cliff.
Yeah.
Canopy.
Wow. So looking across at the Capilano Bridge, looks amazing. We just did that. Oh, I guess it's our turn. Here we go. There, it kind of cleared up a little bit. You guys can see. Look at this tree that they cut. This limb. It's growing right out of the rocks. But it's a little photo area here. It turns to ice and splits the rock. Ice cracks. That doesn't sound good. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Here's our path. It's on this big curve, so we're a lot further away from the wall now. You definitely notice it. You guys see how far we are? This is pretty sweet though. Definitely not for the faint of heart. If you don't like heights, you should not be anywhere near this thing. Kind of see it behind me. Look at that curve back there. It's pretty cool. It's funny how just because you're walking high, like, it feels a lot more intense than it is. Yeah, this is kind of scary being on this grate. You can see all the way through. Yeah, over the edge. This is cool. Such great views up here. This feels great outside. Just being in the woods is great. Hearing the river down there, all this stuff's so wonderful. I mean, I would miss certain things, but I could totally live in the woods. Last few steps, and then we're done. All right, so that was Capilano. We're gonna take off now. I'm gonna end this here and off to our next adventure. And it's pretty hilarious that they have a Mexican Chipotle burger and Thai sweet chili chicken. But they do have a sweet maple leaf. I might try the Mighty Angus range. I don't know, it's pretty cool. Fresh wrap. Tasty thing. Cookies and almond cookies, little heart shapes. All kinds of pastries, but I'm getting this. Mighty Angus Original. We don't usually see vinegar at our McDonald's. In the bag, the golden arches with maple leaf. I got the Mighty Angus. The Mighty Angus. We got a sesame and poppy seed bun. I don't normally like poppy seeds, but making an exception. We got some onions. We got some sliced onions, those little tiny little rice-shaped things. Some bacon, lettuce, tomato, and cheese. And the sauce. And there's gum. Pretty tasty though. I like it. I think I would probably make it a double one. So I asked her for an empty fry carton. I wanted her for a souvenir. There's this cool little maple leaf in it. Free souvenirs! Woohoo! So that was a tasty little snack, and now we're gonna go officially check into our room. All right, down from Capilano, heading into our hotel. We're staying at the Holiday Inn in northern Vancouver. Walking around downtown Vancouver.
Yeah.
So if you couldn't tell, we are in Gastown, the historic Gastown district in Vancouver. You guys can see a little bit about it. It is steam powered, I believe. Go around here. Here we go. There was a first steam powered clock. But it definitely looks like the Flatiron building. It's cool. There. It's a better view over here. Pretty cool. Got the lamp lighter. Should they have to eat? Look at some of the beers they have. I think I might try that Vancouver Island Dark. Some salad and a nice French dip sandwich. French dip! Here at the Forum in Vancouver, gonna see a metal show. Here's the tour van for Amon and Marzz. So we just got back from the concert. It is late. It's about midnight. I just gave Marzz a call. Kind of caught up with her a little bit, but it is late. I'm tired. It's time to go to bed. Today was fun. I really enjoyed Capilano. Beautiful place. If you guys get a chance to go, I highly recommend it. We walked around the gas district and some of the shops and whatnot. We had dinner at the Lamplight Lounge or Lamp Lounge. I already forgot, but it was good. Dip sandwich. It was delicious. The salad was really good. A lot of local beers on tap too. So we tried some a Vancouver port. It was really pretty tasty. And then we went to that concert. So. Show was really good. It was great. It's just a lot of standing, so my back's a little tired. My feet hurt. So, but it was a really good show. Just a lot of rocking out. So it was a good time. Doing good. I'm just really tired right now. So, with that being said, thanks again for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Appreciate all the support. Click that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next time. I still got another full day here in Vancouver. So let's see what we can get into tomorrow.